In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Zoho Books. Creating a payment link is a quick way to let your customer pay you online without having to generate a full invoice first. It's perfect for one-off payments, deposits, or situations where you just need a simple way to collect money. I'll walk you through the exact steps and explain what you're seeing on screen so you can follow along easily. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see several main sections like Dashboard, Purchases, and so on. Find and click on the section labeled Sales. This is where Zoho Books keeps everything related to the money coming into your business, including invoices, estimates, and of course, payment links. Once you're inside the Sales section, look for the option that says Payment Link. Depending on your layout, it might be listed in the sub-menu or as a tab along the top of the sales page. Go ahead and click on Payment Link. This will take you to the area where all existing payment links are listed and where you can create a new one. On this payment link page, look for a button that says Create Payment Link. It's usually highlighted to stand out, often in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to start creating a new payment link. Now you'll be taken to a form where you can fill in all the details for the payment link. This is the most important part. Start by entering a clear description so your customer knows exactly what they're paying for. Then set the amount you want to collect. Double check the currency if your Zoho Books account supports multiple currencies and make sure it matches what you and your customer agreed on. You may also have fields to choose a customer, set a due date, or add internal notes. While not all of these are required, adding as much accurate information as possible helps keep your records organized. Take a moment to review everything on this screen. Confirm that the amount, description, and any customer details are correct, because this is what your customer will see when they open the link. Once you're happy with all the information you've entered, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the page. Click on Save. Zoho Books will now create the payment link for you. After it's saved, you'll see the new payment link listed, and you'll typically have options to copy the link or share it directly by email or other channels. And that's it. You've successfully created a payment link in Zoho Books, making it easier and faster for your customers to pay you online.